Grace, you want to go to the lake? You want to get the boat and go to the lake? I think that's what we ought to do. Yeah. What's happening? Welcome back to Rays and Ronies. It's another Saturday, another busy Saturday with plenty to do, but you know what I was just thinking? I'm moving from one thing on, wondering what I need to do next. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Saturday. A couple of years ago, every Friday we was at the lake, or every Saturday we was at the lake, but now it's just, I don't know, we've gotten so busy with mobile homes and with different cares of this life that we don't have time to enjoy our children now on the weekends anymore. It's just, Grace was wanting me to take her fishing. Christopher and Pawpaw was down to lake fishing a while ago, and Grace was wanting to go fishing, but didn't really know how to have nobody to help. But I had some stuff that just, I thought they just had to be done. One of these rental units, you know, I just thought it had to be done. Helping somebody else get a place to stay, or doing something for somebody else. You know, it got me thinking. I went over and done what I needed to do, and was fixing to move on to something else. And Amy and myself was talking about we need to get the boat out and make sure it's going to do all right, because Hope's got a birthday coming up in a few weeks and she wants to go to the lake. So you know what? Let's go to the lake. So we're going to go hook up to the boat and get it out from under cover, get it over to the house and put a little bit of a charge on the battery, get some gas loaded up, get whoever wants to go loaded up, and we'll get it to the lake. Well, if we get the boat running, you want to go to the lake, we do, but we ain't got the boat running yet. I mean, it may not start. It's been put up since last year.
I think it will start.
We're finna try. We're finna try and see what happens. 10 miles up and run, I might say yes. Go put a bathing suit on.
Who's that? No, it's a boat.
Oh, we got water. Here we go.
Do you turn it on?
Let's pop the bulb a little bit.
Oh.
Get some gas into the engine. Y'all think it's gonna start or not?
I do.
I think so, I do too. Here we go. Nope. Battery's dead.
Aw.
Oh well.
So we're not going to the lake?
We'll charge it up a little bit more and see what happens.
I think it will start this time.
Hope, cut that water hose on over there.
So it did start.
She's trying to put on her life jacket. Joy.
Joy, you want to get it?
Here, help her with her life
You
jacket.
want to get in here, Joy? There? Let's zip it.
All right. All right. We made it to the lake. I only had one little hiccup getting this old boat going. We just had to get us a brand new battery. We got us a Neverlast. So we're good to go now. It cranked, fired right up. Got us off across the lake. It's late in the afternoon, probably about 5:30. That's just the right time everybody else is leaving, and we just now getting here. Going to enjoy a little bit with the family. Already got a couple in the water. A couple gonna get in the water. You gonna ride the tube? Uh-oh, who is that? Is that the General Lee? All right, let me see if I can get this boat back out in the water.
Is that how it goes?
Yeah, that'll work. All right. Come on, baby. You want to ride the boat? You want to ride the boat? Y'all come ride the boat.
Bye, guys. Hey, Gracie. Joy, Joy. There they go. Hello, sweet pea. Now she wants to go with Daddy. They're way out there. Get out there. She's not sure about that, if she wants to jump or not. Jumping off the hot dog. She did it! Yay!
Come on, baby. You gonna drive?
Off that one. Hey, step off this one.
You gotta climb up over here.
Okay. It's deep in this water. I barely can get back up when I jump. I can get it back up. I'm not jumping. Because when I jump, I am swimming. I would be on the ground if I went.
You wanna jump off? Joy. Joy. Is that Joy or Charity? Joy, you wanna jump off? You wanna jump, baby? You got a life jacket on, baby. All right, let's go, Grace. Let's go back up there where Mama's at. They might want to all come out here. We got you.
She wants to do it too, Daddy. Hey, look at you, Charity.
I'm bigger. Nice.
You kneeboarding, girl.
You just sitting.
Get on it. Get on it. Get on it, baby.
Hey, Dad, can I have a snack?
Bottle. Yeah, I know y'all need to untie while we're here.
You dummy.
You're in trouble, Hope.
It's just jump. Nothing ruins.
Hey, Grace. Woo! There went Gracie. Sammy, your turn. You got the ladder?
Yes, the ladder's down.
Is the ladder down? Okay. Be careful, don't be drinking all the water. Oh, I missed that.
Daddy! Daddy's gonna jump! Daddy,
You'll lose your sunshade. I'm gonna be the first time.
I used to have some of them little floaty things on. I remember when it snowed in one year, but I think I lost my floaty things and everything.
Yeah.
I can't
I
get
made my sunglasses float. Hey, babe, you gonna jump?
one time you lost it.
How'd you have today?
I'm not even swimming. I'm just whoever made life jackets.
Come on, baby.
I'm not even drowning, Hope.
Come on, Jojo.
Hope, I'm not even drowning.
Come on, hold my hand. Jump. Jump.
Let's play rock and
Jump. Come on, Hope, give me the other hand. Give me the other hand, baby. Jump. Come on, jump. Yay! All right.
Yeah, you jumped again.
Yay! We're missing a baby. There's a big girl ladder right there. It's too little for me. Uh-oh.
I want to get jumped again.
You got it? I know. Good girl. That's a good girl. Oh, she's ready to go again, Daddy.
Come on, baby. Yeah. Come on.
I didn't do it.
Yeah, jump back.
She's coming.
Come on, baby. Come on, jump, jump. Whee!
What you doing?
Baby, I got you.
Sassafras.
So I can jump. I'm gonna go. Mama, the pole. Right, you're not supposed to jump off.
Hey, Grace.
I have to jump off that part, Mama. Get up there.
Swim back over there.
Don't touch the pole. Saber, watch out. The pole's coming for us. The pole's moving. It's like having fun in the water. Do a backflip off.
Wait.
Oh yeah.
Y'all see that?
Yeah.
That's a back
Who's leaving me?
Hope's little turtle head over there.
Daddy, can you move Around that. Where is Daddy? I'm gonna jump.
We need a bigger boat, Mom. We need a bigger boat.
We do need a bigger boat. back. Well, I guess that's going to be all. Thank you for watching from Raising Ronies.